Okay, we're going to demonstrate how to open an Xbox 360 and repair the red ring of death. Do you want to just show them that it is actually the red ring before you fix it? Essential tools are
an Xbox
360
with a ring of death on it,
a can of export lager, and an Xbox 360 power lead. This is how you plug it in.
Yep, that's it. See, in. It's nice and tight, that is.
Yeah.
And then this is the ring.
The big saw ring. The ring of death.
That's no bullshit. I can repair that.
If you'd like to just explain how you're going to repair it, then Mike.
Well, what I'm going to do, pull the lead out so don't electrocute yourself. Take the hard drive out. Don't need that anymore.
It's about as much use as chocolate fibre.
Well, that's it. Pull that out. Don't want that. Shit now. It's only a few months old.
What sort of tools are you using there, Mike?
Just a nice screwdriver come with the kit. Yeah, that nearly broke. That's alright. Don't need that front bit.
Oh, it's the front.
Getting there. And then that's a bit of heavy kit here we got here.
That is a specialist tool. Unfortunately, it's not really a specialist using the tool.
Well, there you go. There's one bit.
We've got no fucking idea how we're going to fix this.
I do like my gaming.
I think we'll just pause the video here at this point. We'll start it up again when he's got it open. Okay, Mike's now resorted to using a heavy duty screwdriver.
Well, when you've got to get the fuck up there, hasn't been opened at all before, it's got all its clips.
Make sure you don't snap any.
No, that'll be right. Get a nice screwdriver in there, it always gets it off.
Oh shit.
Broken. See, that's got the boy stick on and everything.
Yeah, make sure you put that back.
You got the spare one.
Don't want them thinking that it's been opened.
Don't think it's been tampered with or anything. I only bought this the other day, like I said. But I thought I'd have a look inside of it.
This will be on eBay later on, 50 quid.
Yeah, comes in 2 games. Nothing. Oh, this takes ages.
Alright, we'll pause there.
Well, you have to get... electric screwdriver. I had all this lying around in my bloody my cupboard for ages.
Yeah?
Yeah. I just told her it's brand new.
Microsoft are the root of all evil.
We love taking things to bits. You should swap it with my computer, put my computer in the end of that one.
That'll be a lesson for another day.
Yeah, how's it writ? Watch us next time and how to take a monitor apart.
Yeah. Dodge the 10,000 volts in the battery, in the power supply.
Why do it in the rain? Must be about 20 screws here.
And that's the last of the screws out.
Well, there's one more. do.
You got any tips and tricks for not losing all the screws there, Mike?
Just dump them in the pile next to you
Yeah.
and make sure you can look and see them all.
If you get them in between like a pair of pliers and your beer can, it
Gets
stops them rolling off the table.
Yeah, it's all about the tricks of the trade.
Got to keep yourself refreshed.
Especially in a time like this, it's like taking a bomb to pieces, isn't it? Gotta be careful.
I don't think you'd be trusted taking a bomb apart, to be honest.
You gotta be quite careful as you touch a bit of machinery. There you go. She's free.
You've got to obey the anti-static rules in this.
Yeah.
Make sure you're fully grounded and preferably don't touch the insides of your hands.
As long as you've had a few drinks, you're alright. It's coming out, isn't it?
That wants to come out, that one. Take that bad boy out. It's going on a little vacation.
Yeah, to the bin. Oh, nice easy does it. Just yank them out.
Off comes the air filter. There's the fan. There's the fans. That's the processor. That's the graphics card. And that's the one for Halo.
Is it?
that makes your shotgun work on Halo 3. And all the others do variously similar things.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Hang on a sec. Oh yeah, got the fan out. There's the fan.
Nice clean. Cleaned it up. We got a new.
It's hardly being used.
A new bit of machinery that is. Celebrate, I'm gonna have a beer.
So, right, so you're fixing. Right. How are you going to fix this then, Mike?
Well,
Is it going to
you have to get a bit of treatment, I think.
Serious treatment? Or?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Alright, well.
I best do it on the floor, actually.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea, man. So, right. Oh! that is serious treatment. But
I might need the.
how's it going? Have you fixed it?
Yeah, I think it should work now.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah, it easy work
Are you really sure?
Yeah, it needed that hammering.
Okay. Alright, well, you got to put the case on, man.
Alright, yeah.
You want the case? Right, there's the front bit.
Alright.
And there's the front and back.
Alright, yeah, cool.
Yeah, I'll come around and have a look. Right, and how's he done? Let's have a look.
Well, yeah, sort of put it back together again now.
Oh, wow! It's all working!
No,
Well, we don't know whether it's working. It's all back. You've done a good job with that, Mike.
Not bad. Didn't take long.
No. Can't have knocked two in there and it's all back together, isn't it? Brilliant. Oh, look at that. Oh. It's red. That's not good, is it? I thought that would be green, but it's red. Right, I've got an idea, Mike.
I've got the AV cable to plug into it.
What do you reckon it is then, Mike? Just the AV cable, it'll be all fixed.
Cable,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Right, let's see if the AV cable works.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe that's still red, man.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. He's fixed it.
That was easy.
There you go, yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next trick, maybe in the next video, we'll install Windows.
47-inch TV.
Take it apart and put it back together
Take
again,
it
yeah?
apart, put it back together in 10 minutes.
Wicked.
With
Wouldn't
10
have thought
cans
so.
of beer. Alright.